Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to make a Google as a default browser. Okay, so open a Google Chrome and click on this three dots option and click on settings. Here you can see as a default browser option. Click on this and here you can see default browser, make Google Chrome the default browser. So click on make default button and now you can check whether the Google has a default browser or not. So click on this three dots option and go to settings and click on default browser. Here we can see it has set to Google Chrome is your default browser. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.